Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. Kimberley, located in South Africa. Industry, diamond. Amazon Basin, located in Brazil. Industry, petroleum. Johannesburg, located in South Africa. Industry, gold mining. Manchester, located in UK. Industry, shipbuilding, textile and light machinery. Detroit, located in USA. Industry, motor cars. Jamshedpur, located in India. Industry, iron and steel. Bangkok, located in Thailand. Industry, shipbuilding. Braden, located in Chile. Industry, copper mining. Chicago, located in USA. Industry, meat packing. Cologne, located in Germany. Industry, perfumes and cotton clothes. Tula Oblast, located in Russia. Industry, fertilizers. Vienna, located in Austria. Industry, glass manufacturing. Wellington, located in New Zealand. Industry, dairy products. Ruhr, located in Germany. Industry, coal. Dhaka, located in Bangladesh. Industry, jute. Kawasaki, located in Japan. Industry, iron and steel. Seattle, located in USA. Industry, aircraft. Darjeeling, located in India. Industry, tea processing. Antwerp, located in Belgium. Industry, diamond. Leeds, located in England. Industry, woolen goods. Please subscribe, like and share our channel World's Knowledge Book.